Day 41. Yesterday, you got your first look at the roadmap for this section. Today, you're going to learn about one of the most important building blocks in any algorithmic strategy. Raw price data tells you what happened, but it does not tell you what it means. To make decisions, your algorithm needs to process that data into something more useful. So, what is an indicator? An indicator is a calculation that transforms raw price data into a signal, giving your algorithm a structured way to measure market conditions like trend, momentum, or volatility. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have the thermometer, on the right, the indicator. Imagine you walk outside and feel the air. You know it is cold, but you do not know how cold. A thermometer takes that raw condition and gives you a number, 4 degrees. Now you can make a decision, coat or no coat. That number did not change the weather. It just made the condition readable. The thermometer here says, turn a raw condition into something you can act on. An indicator works exactly the same way. It takes raw price data and runs a calculation on it, which in this case is. Instead of staring at a stream of closing prices, your algorithm reads a single output value that tells it whether the market is trending, overbought, or losing momentum. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of indicator in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. An indicator changes the price data it receives, true or false. And the correct answer is false. An indicator reads price data and produces a signal. It does not alter the underlying data. The prices stay exactly as they are.